Have you ever replayed the same problem over and over in your mind without finding a solution? That's overthinking. Your brain believes that thinking more will solve the problem. But after a certain point, thinking becomes a trap instead of a tool. Overthinking increases stress, drains your energy, and keeps you from taking action. The longer you stay stuck in your thoughts, the bigger your problems begin to feel. The good news is that you can train your brain to break this cycle. The first step is learning the difference between facts and the stories your mind creates. Ask yourself, do I actually have evidence for this, or am I just imagining the worst? Most of the time, your fears are assumptions, not facts. The second step is to stop waiting for the perfect decision. Perfection doesn't exist. A good decision made today is usually better than a perfect decision made too late. Remember, action creates clarity. Thinking alone rarely gives you answers, but taking even one small step teaches you something valuable. Next, give yourself a deadline for thinking. If you keep analyzing forever, you'll never move forward. Decide what you can with the information you have, then take action. Every decision becomes experience. Every experience makes your next decision easier. Progress doesn't require certainty. It only requires movement. The goal isn't to stop thinking completely. The goal is to stop letting your thoughts control your life. Whenever you catch yourself overthinking, ask one simple question. Can I do something about this right now? If the answer is yes, take one small action immediately. If the answer is no, let it go. Don't waste today's energy on tomorrow's imaginary problems. The strongest minds aren't the ones that think the most. They're the ones that know when to stop thinking and start doing. You don't have to believe every thought that enters your mind. Train your mind. Take action. Keep moving forward. And let progress replace overthinking. Follow Evening Edge for a new informative video every day.